robotic exoskeleton for rehabilitation of TMD via assisted motion of toe. This is the block diagram of our project, and the block diagram is consisting of two signal capturing, EMG signals and the EEG signal. EEG signal means electroencephalography. This is done with the help of NeuroSky headset, and the EMG signal is captured with the help of muscle sensor kit V3. It is given to the processor MSP430G2, and the signals from the EMG and the EEG are compared or correlated with the help of the processor, and the output of the processor is given to a driver, and the driver is going to rotating the servo motors, and the servo motor is given to the human body, and we are providing an emergency switch. The emergency switch will make a emergency switch will emergency switch to help the operation to make the operation in a careful manner. If there is any error occurs, the switch is helped to stop the whole system, and it will automatically restart. An audio alert is provided, and that will make a audio alarm if there is any failure occurs to the system. This is the components list. We are using the TI parts is MSB432G2 and the LP2951 as a voltage regulator, and MAX232. And the non-TI parts are NeuroSky headset for the brain signal capturing, and the muscle sensor kit V3 is used for capturing the muscle movements. Servo motor is used for the motor rotation. Bluetooth module and the UART module is done for the communication with the prototype and the computer. Now we have complete capturing the EEG signal and the EMG signal capturing, and this is the NeuroSky headset, which is a 3-electrode system, and this is the EMG sensor kit V3, and using this capturing the brain signals, and using this muscle sensor capturing the muscle movements. And I have aired this, and this is a reference electrode, and this is another electrode, and this is the third electrode. System is producing an output when I these type of signals, and the system is giving 7 type of brain signals, and the communication between the NeuroSky headset and the PC is done with the help of a Bluetooth module. Here it is indicating poor quality is equal to 0. This is the correct placing of the NeuroSky headset. By using these 3 electrodes, the muscle movements are going to be captured, and when we this is the muscle sensor kit V3, and when we turn on the device, we are getting the signals. We are getting signals like this. When we move the jaw, when the mouth is open, the signal will be varies, and the variation is going to be detected, and it is will be correlated with the brains already. Correlation of EMG and EEG signals have done, and this is how the final device is going to be like. And this is a servo motor, and we are providing an assistance to the jaw with the help of a connection here, and this device is under 3D printing process, and this is the CAD design of that 3D printing device. EEG, according to the marketing section, EEG signal is varied from person to person, hence the device cannot be made readily available in the market. It requires a lot of time, and the device has to be configured according to each and every individual. Next, the main solution for this problem is making a device, and that is configured according to the individual. Otherwise, we can use a classifier method, and the classifier will make it is a user-friendly device to each and every patient, but it takes more time.